Tips and tricks to lose weight. Firstly, establish a healthy diet. This means eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It is also important to limit your intake of processed and sugary foods as these can cause weight gain. Secondly, it is essential to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help to reduce hunger and cravings, as well as flush out toxins and promote weight loss. Thirdly, it is important to get regular physical activity. This can help to boost your metabolism and burn calories, as well as improve overall health. Lastly, it is important to get adequate sleep. Getting enough rest can help to reduce stress, improve mental health, and increase energy levels, which makes it easier to stick to a healthy lifestyle. Click like and subscribe.